Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel IELTS Perfection. Today we're diving deep into IELTS Speaking Part 2. In this lesson, you'll get two 2025 cue cards with band 7.5 sample answers, topic-based vocabularies, and a simple strategy to structure your answer. Let's dive in. In IELTS Speaking Part 2, you'll be given a cue card and you'll have 1 minute to prepare. Then you must speak for 1 to 2 minutes. The latest topics are people, places, events and experiences, activities, and future. There's a simple strategy to structure your response for any topic. The 4S method: setting, story, significance, and summary. So if you cover these 4 areas, you can be confident that you have answered all parts of the cue card. Use the 1 minute preparation time to write 4 quick keywords, 1 for each S. Let's dive into cue card number 1. Describe a time when you made a decision that changed your life. You should say what the decision was, why you made it, how it affected your life, and explain why it was a life-changing decision.
About 2 years ago, I made a life-altering decision to leave my full-time corporate job and pursue a career as a freelance graphic designer. I'd been stuck in the same routine for over 5 years, and honestly, I felt burnout. One evening, I just knew I had to get out of my comfort zone. So I started building a portfolio, reaching out to clients, and planning my exit strategy. It was scary, especially because of the financial uncertainty, but I decided to take a leap of faith and follow my instincts. The first few months were filled with self-doubt, but over time, I landed steady clients and started to truly fulfill my creative potential. Looking back, it was more than just a career shift. It completely turned my life around. I've experienced more personal growth in the past year than I ever did in my previous job. It was a tough decision, but easily the most rewarding one I've ever made.
Lexical resources is a key criterion in this speaking test. So using a wide range of high-level vocabulary and phrases can definitely boost your score.
Life-altering decision. Take a leap of faith. Get out of my comfort zone. Pursue my passion. Financial uncertainty. Personal growth. Self-doubt. Turned my life around. Fulfilled/fulfilling. Career shift.
Let's go to the second cue card. Describe a place you visited that was very different from where you live. You should say where you went, why you went there, what you saw or did, and explain how it was different from your hometown.
Last summer, I visited Kyoto, Japan, and it was drastically different from my own city. I live in a bustling urban area, surrounded by concrete and constant noise. Kyoto, in contrast, had a serene atmosphere and felt like a peaceful retreat from modern chaos. I went there to experience Japan's traditional customs and culturally rich heritage. I explored ancient temples, walked through bamboo forests, and even participated in a tea ceremony. The city offers a breathtaking blend of modernity and tradition, something I rarely see in my hometown. What struck me most was how the locals preserved their identity while still embracing the modern world. It was such an immersive experience, and the heritage sites were simply unforgettable. Being in Kyoto helped me disconnect from the hectic lifestyle I'm used to and reminded me of the value of peace and simplicity. Honestly, I felt more centered and calm than I had in years. It truly left a lasting impression on me.
Let's see the vocabularies for this topic.
Culturally rich. Traditional customs. Breathtaking scenery. Urban versus rural contrast. Serene atmosphere. Heritage sites. Blend of modernity and tradition. Immersive experience. Peaceful retreat. Bustling city life.
Practice is the key to getting a higher score. See you in the next lesson.